Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing compatible lights and a controller, then connect them to your computer or network. Make sure the controller is powered and addressed. Next, pick an audio source and set a stable sample rate so timing is consistent. Once done, install and open the sync application, then add the controller as an output device. You should immediately route the audio input into the software and verify level meters move. This gets you into the first actionable state of live capture. Now you map sound characteristics to visual outputs. Split the spectrum into bands and assign each band to a light zone so bass hits translate to big changes and highs control accents. Then tune thresholds and gain so triggers aren't overactive, and set attack/release to shape how snappy or smooth the lights respond. Make sure to enable latency compensation or buffer settings to align audio with DMX or network delays. Finally, pick intensity curves and quantization to lock effects to the beat. Finish by testing with complete tracks and saving profiles so you can recall setups quickly. Make sure to export a backup. Once done, fine-tune color palettes and transition smoothing, and apply a small global timing offset if events feel early or late. If live performance is planned, run a dress rehearsal and monitor for drift. Troubleshoot by reducing audio buffer size, checking network latency, switching to wired control, or enabling hardware clock sync. These fixes resolve most desynchronization issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.